will go from here, because first we will make this pattern. These patterns are very easy on the legs also. So first will be the face one. We have done the CFA. Now do one thing. Just erase this inside line, not the center line. Center line is required. Just erase this one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see it's fine now?
Yes, little bit okay. No problem. This width is more. Why I am showing you why also that. Now, we have drawn a U. So just continue.
Ma'am, what do you have to erase?
Erase these lines, the slanting lines, sleeping lines, all lines you have to erase. Otherwise, the pattern what we will make, you'll be confused with that pattern. Only erase the sleeping lines which are inside the face. Okay? Clear? Now, first make a big, it looks like a circle, but just join to your U this way, the mouth. We'll try to copy almost all the patterns, but if it doesn't, one or two goes here and there, no problem. We will just, when we will make the pattern, there only you are going to write B. B means black. The next will be, means alternate will be B. So there you are going to write B. So it will be easy for you to load the black color there. Alternate one will be the white. Clear to everyone? So first with the center, I can see from both the side, one coming like this. See, this is the small one coming here. I'll write B. Or if you are not able to make a B, just make a cross. Wherever the cross is there, you're going to put the black color. Wherever no cross is there, you're going to, because black color, the black cross will go inside that. From here, I'm touching the
How can you just repeat what you did just now?
Just made one small ear. Started the pattern from here. Got it? Yes? Yes, Pavika?
I asked Vedika.
Okay. Yes, Vedika ready, no? Yeah. Vedika, open your video, not ready. I'll say, call you Vedika ready, okay? Yes. So first is this. The second I can see here is this pattern. I'm just making a pattern and making a cross in it because I have to load the black color. And the third one is coming near the I would, that is this way. Just try to copy the patterns which are seen inside the. Now here the I is there, so.
And I can't see like zoom in.
1 second. Are you able to see? Otherwise, then afterwards tell me. I'll just zoom as I go beyond this. First, I'll zoom only this much part. Clear? Now here, there is a triangle which is coming on the eye hood. This is called the eye level hood on top of it. So the triangle is coming like this. This is black, so cross from here.
Please can you once move your hand?
This line, what we made for the shape, that is pentagon, that inner line, I'm just erasing because the outside curve is there.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, what happened?
hello ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my neck it was a little low.
Huh? What happened?
My connection a little bit low.
Okay. Do the patterns. What I'm doing on the head.
So I
This
had to leave
is
the class and read.
okay, no problem. Black, this is black. This part is black. And this part is black. White is very less. Most probably everything here is black.
Ma'am, do you see this?
Okay. Okay. Now, this were from here also there is a curve joining here. Just leaving this part, center part will be white. The shape what we have made small.
Ma'am,
Now-
can you?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can
Yes. What happened, Arish?
ma'am, can't. I
Your voice is breaking, Arish.
know how to do it.
I'm just making patterns, nothing. Just making the patterns, joining it.
Actually, like for me, the space is less.
Huh?
Like space is less on that side, so it's
If the space is less, make less pattern. No problem. You can make only 2 patterns. No problem. That's why I said no, it is little bit wide. But if the space is less, just make 3, just give a curve and leave it like that only. Only one pattern you can make and leave it like that. Got it?
not on that side. The one that is full.
Here, this side.
Yeah.
This side, show me. This pattern is important. It's okay. Wherever, just make a alternate black and give this 2 on the top near the ear. This pattern should come. Black.
Ma'am, where's the eyes?
Eyes are not there.
You like move it.
Yes. I'm erasing
Ma'am.
now this.
Now can you move your hands?
Yes.
Are there any eyes?
No. There are no eyes.
Excuse me, ma'am. The pattern that you are making, it's Means it's not coming in that much area. I'm having bigger part.
I didn't get you. No? Sanskrit.
Ma'am, means I'm having. I can't do this side. Means more longer.
Make it smaller because it is thin, na? That's why I said, na, just increase the size. This side only this is the segments types are there which are broken. It is only connected here, but others here they are interconnected. It has a triangular shape or because it is giving the shape of the eye. So I said this is important. This part, just try to make it one triangle, then slanting this again the other triangle.
Ma'am, can you see my lines?
Yeah. Okay. This three you have not made. This one. Because this whole part is with the lines, this much. And then it starts with the triangle.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Okay. Dhruv.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, everyone. I'll see. Nandini. Okay. Yes, Om. Yes, Dhruvi. It is okay. Yeah, Om, it is okay. But everyone make a cross wherever you have to fill the black in it. Otherwise, then you'll have a problem. Yes, Pavika, show me. Very good, Pavika. Shivani. Okay, Shivani here. Yeah, okay, no problem. White should be little bit more, or you can load the white color inside it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Drizzling. Okay. Yes. Vedika, Reddy, show me. Pavika, you showed, na?
Ma'am, I'm still doing.
Yes. Okay. Pragati, Om, you showed me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Parth, Sanskriti.
I'm showing.
Yeah. Very good, Parth. Yeah, it is okay.
Ma'am, can I show I'm done?
Yes, Vihan, done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
1 second, just hold on. Yes, Pragati, wait. Vedika Reddy. Okay, it is okay. Vihan. Okay, just leave a white part here, this side. Otherwise, all the patterns are okay. This one here, the white part should be there. Because if you see, the more white is there, when we'll see the yes, Pragati, hold it near. Yes, it is okay. Yes, who has not shown me?
Ma'am, I have done.
Yeah, sure. Sanskriti very good, but this side, if you can see, it is elongated, means very thin. The part which I have drawn is white area, and very thin lines are there because it is this side of the head. This side is more and this is less. So this side patterns are not seen properly. Only the white lines are seen. So make it thin. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now the top, first make a ear. So what is there in ear at the corner? First it is black. So do one thing. Erase first the line which is there inside the ear. So outside here it is black. and then from this side also it is this way. Okay, first the outer ear has been done. And then the inner opening ear, we can see. It's like this. So, which is the cross? The sideways are cross and the inner opening ear is the cross. I'll zoom it. I'll shift now, book my downwards. Can you see? Outside is a black and inside the opening ear is there. That you can make a little bit big shape. It is not that you will have to copy this each and every pattern, but at least try to make the pattern so that you'll able to see the address. Now this side. Okay, I'll first erase this sleeping line is there. Now the opening ear, this is from corner. It is, and this side, okay. This side ear is little bit different. Just give a outer black and the same comes inside, joining the inner part. This is not there. This all part, this is black, and the side one is black. Erase the standing line up to here, the center point where we gave the curve. Just step by step, go step by step. Now, the center, CFL, what we had done, or the center line of the body, neckline, that is, this is CNL, that is neckline. It is not a single line. It has in between the wide black part and then this. So now when we are making the curve, that is when we are making a pattern, you are going to go inside and give a U shape near the. Can you see the U shape? It is near the center line. So it will mean this line will be black completely, having the shape. What I want to say, see, one minute again. I'll come from here and make a U and not joining the center line. Continue with this. As a big one, going slanting wise to give the neck effect. Got the pattern this side? Now this side near the ear, there is white, and then start making
Connection is so low.
yes. Wherever the white is there, I'm erasing it. This is all black, all cross.
Ma'am, how to do this? Because I actually, there is a network problem and it's always stopping. So you
You were
already
going to join with the other this. You didn't join. Join with the other instrument, no? We will continue afterwards. First, we'll make this top one. So now you can erase this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see my?
Yes. Okay. Now, I'm continuing from here, this side. I'll zoom whole part, just I'm zooming only this much so that you'll be able to draw it.
Ma'am, I was drawing according to the printout, so can you see if it's fine?
Yeah, show me. If you have made according to the printout, it's okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you up the artwork?
You want the whole artwork?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
This side? Should I start this side now?
Ma'am, can I show mine?
Wait. Now, once it is completed, then I'll see everyone's.
Who will print the drawing?
Done. Should we do the leg? Just refer to your printout and make the patterns. It is not that compulsory, you'll have to just see where it is coming node I'm locating. I'm just trying to copy it, whichever is possible, which is not there, I have left it like that only.
Ma'am, I have a doubt on my artwork. Once, can you review mine?
Yes. One second.
Ma'am, it's really correct.
It is okay. You don't touch it to this line. This line will go. It
Ma'am,
will
I can
become.
see your screen. I can see thoughts on canvas too. Excuse me, ma'am.
So this line is completely black. So you can erase this line. Yes, Sanskriti?
Ma'am, can you just see mine if it's correct?
Yes, show me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you see mine?
Yes, everyone's. 1 second. With Sanskriti, this piece has become too big. Here. Reduce little bit. Come inside from here. This side. This is very small. Come little bit inside. Yes, show me. Nandini, very good. Om, very good. Yes. Shivani, very nice. Yeah. Yes. Pavika, Very good. Nandini, I saw yours. It is okay. Yes. Parth, Vihan, show me. Drizzling, show me. Parth, hold it straight. The Parth, no. Vihan, hold it straight. You have done up to here only or the complete? Bring it little bit down. I'm not able to see the top one. Okay, it is okay. Yes.
Ma'am, is it
Yes.
working?
Pragati, it is okay. Drizzling, hold it near. Okay. Parth, show me yours. Arish, show me yours. Parth, okay, it is okay.
Ma'am, now it's fine.
Now it is fine. Increase this little bit. Otherwise, the whole black belt will come like this. Big one. Yes. Krishan, show me yours. You have not shown me.
I'm just trying.
Now for the leg, if you can see, the black is on this side, and this side we are going to color it like that only to give a circular effect, the circular effect of the leg. So this side is the black, and the pattern starts from this side. This side it is an open pattern, that is white open is there. So I'll start from the top first. Just this leg is from inside. I'm making first, then going in. Here randomly I'm trying to copy the same pattern, but just making. This is white. This is white. Near the knee, there are 3 lines. One coming here, one from here, joining it here like a Y, and one on the knee coming and joining it here. Remaining part is white on this side. I'll shoot. On the knee, 3 lines has come. 3 lines has come. One is straight coming to this black one. This line will remain like that only. The leg, this side line will remain like that. So one straight and the other Y is going here, and one more branch is coming from this side and joining to the knee. This is the knee area. That's why the pattern is little bit different. Clear? It's a Y and a straight line.
And can you go up a bit?
Yes, yes. 1 second. Are you able to see? What you want, the leg only or the whole part?
No, leg.
Yeah. Can you see the leg?
Yeah.
This side is completely black and this side is open white. So I have made all pattern U closing on this side, giving a white effect.
Miss, can I show?
Just hold on, Pragati. If you are made properly, no problem. Just refer to your reference picture and you can make it.
Miss, now can I show? Ma'am,
Yes.
did we complete the artwork in another class?
Yes, now the patterns, which is the black, you're going to make black color as a hoover. And then next time we'll make the shading. I'll show it right now. And then the depth. Yes.
Ma'am, why ma'am can't we do it in the class? Because it's kind of complicated. Ma'am,
Yes.
it is kind of complicated. Can't we do it in the class?
No, it will take time. Then it will go for 4 classes. That's why.
Ma'am, except the curves which we did and the U's which we did right now, in those there should be no colors, right, ma'am? At the
You
other
can refer the reference picture to load the black color. Reference picture is there and alternate where it is black. Just hold on. I'll show how to load it. Yes, Pragati, show me. Everyone show the pattern.
How to load in the face.
Yes, I'll show 1 second. Just hold on. Everyone show the pattern fast. Yes, Pragati, it is okay. Om, it is okay. Shivani, it is okay. Dhruvi, why you're joined twice? That's why there are 2 instruments showing your name. You'll have to leave from one.
Yes, ma'am, I'll leave the other one because the light here had gone, but that's why I joined from two. Ma'am, can you see mine? Ma'am,
Yes.
my internet didn't work, so I could not join for a long time.
Okay, make the patterns. Vihan, it is okay. Om, show me. Very good, Om. Dhruvi, okay. Parth,
Ma'am, can you see mine?
very good, yes. Sanskriti, very good. Yeah, Trisling, very good. Vedika Reddy, show me yours. Nandini, very nice, Nandini. Vedika Reddy, okay. Shivani, show. Krishan, show me yours. Parth, yeah, it is okay.
Ma'am, just 2 minutes. Ma'am, when will we load the white color in the next class? As
White will be after completing the artwork. White will be there. White to be loaded.
oh, okay.
So what should we do in the homework?
Okay, take your
Can you
black.
see mine?
Yeah, take your black color now. Yes.
Poster
Color
color,
pencil?
pencil color or soft pastel?
Watercolor. Watercolor. I said poster, any color. If you have poster color, go poster. If you want to use water black color, you can go with that. Water cake.
Ma'am, can I
Huh?
use acrylic?
Acrylic colors.
Yes, you can use any black color. Black color can be used. No problem.
Ma'am, we should do the whole body or only the
No, only the stripes. Now,
And can you use sketch pen?
1 second. Just hold on.
Ma'am, can we do from oil pastel?
Who said this?
And can we do oil pastel?
Who said this? No, you can't, Arish. When I say oil pastel, you ask for watercolors. You do purposely or what? No oil pastels. I'm not going to allow. Give the permission. You
Ma'am,
want to
can you
go?
use sketch pens?
No sketch pens. You can go with this pen colors. That is this water pens are there. That you can go if you have black color in that. No sketch pens because sketch pen it will not look nice. It leaves the line behind. Why you don't have watercolor? Yeah.
No.
Which colors you have?
Color pencil, pencils, oil pastel, and crayons, and then sketch pens. Shut up.
Okay, now do one thing with your pencil colors. Black pencil color. You are going to just first outline it. Then I'll tell you how to what to make inside it. Okay. First outline wherever the black pattern is there. You can take any brush. Which brush you are comfortable, you can take that brush. Okay. Since it is not that, I'm always comfortable with a flat brush, so I go
Excuse
with
me,
any
ma'am.
of the flat brush. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My light went off, so I couldn't see my meeting got cut. So I couldn't see the drawing. I didn't know how to make the legs.
Which one? Your legs.
Yeah.
Legs. You're going to make the pattern. This side it is completely black for the leg, and then there is a U pattern, which you will have to make it like this. Can you see? I'll just zoom it. That you can make it afterwards. Start coloring
like
because
this?
we are going to color it. Yes, like that. Wherever the black color is there, the pencil is there, just load it a line inside it so that you come to know that.
the patterns we have to means do black color, right?
Yes, wherever the black shade is there. Pavika, for the leg, you can do it afterwards because the legs we are going to load. Nobody is going to load the legs color with your oil pastel. Or if you are loading, then you are going to load it with a zero brush because they are very slanting. Otherwise, you are going to use your pencil colors to load the leg black color. Clear? So with
ma'am.
yes.
Actually coloring 0-15 is okay. Ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, 0-15 brush is okay.
Yes, it is okay.
Ma'am, we should do the face and now are we doing it with watercolors?
Yes, watercolors. We are doing it with watercolors.
Ma'am, should we
If you have brush pens, those who have brush pen can go with brush pen. Okay. Now I'm just coloring the
Ma'am.
first. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't see the down part. Please, can you keep it a bit up? Yes, ma'am, thank you.
So in a circular way,
Ma'am, should we do the face and the body?
Yes, we are doing it. What happened? Why reason you are asking?
So, ma'am, you basically have to outline everything.
Outline the black color. You don't have the stuff watercolors.
Ma'am,
Then
but I have brush pen.
you have brush pen. Now then load it with brush pen. No problem. You can load it with brush pen. Be careful, everyone, when you're making this pattern. See,
Ma'am, I have brush pens, but I don't want to do it with brush pen.
don't do it. Go slowly. Brush pens are pointed so you can make it very nicely. That's why I said you can do with brush pen also.
I just found my watercolors.
No problem. You can use any.
So, should I use brush pen or water?
If you can enjoy the watercolors. Whenever, means that's what I feel. Every time, whenever you do the coloring with the watercolors, you enjoy it because very nicely you can do it. I also have brush pen, but I recommend the brush pen for all the kids because they are not able to load the watercolors. So if you want to, anyhow, if you are able to make it, do it. If you don't want, you can load with the brush pen. Anything. Choice is yours. Only not oil pastel. I'm not going to allow oil pastel. Oil pastel will not give that look. You'll not be able to load it properly. Wherever very small area is there, very small means leave that like that only and take your pencil. Otherwise, keep your pencil color with you. Wherever the small. Now here, this side, a small space is there. So, with the help of my pencil color, I just load the
Ma'am, except the curves which we drew, we should color everything else.
everything alternative will become the black. You're going to leave the white space to give the pattern. You know the zebra pattern is how it is. White and black, white and black. So just see
Yes, ma'am.
to
Whatever we drew is like white, and whatever we didn't draw is black.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, then we can do it by ourselves, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Because we
that's
already do it without the.
that only I told, na? That's why it is a homework. But every time when you are making the pattern, just refer to the reference picture. By mistake, wherever white is there, you might load the black. So keep the reference picture aside and make the black and white this patterns. Refer to it. On mobile, you can just refer to it and then load it. Do it very smoothly. Don't go fast. Yes, what happened? Somebody said something?
Ma'am, I'm still doing the face.
It's okay. Because you will do carefully without allowing the color to go outside. So be careful.
Ma'am, I was using a brush pen and I was using a different small nib pen to clear the edges.
Okay.
But the one that I was using to clear the edges it was a different type of black. So now some places it is like a different black.
Load the pencil over that after it is dry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, by mistake I have colored all the ear also.
Now leave it like that only. Once you have done completely, then only just with your white color, you're going to tap it there. You're not going to load the white color. If you try to load it, it will mix it with black. You're just going to dab it. And just keep, this is called as a dabbing. Put the white color on top of it.
Okay.
And that also, if you have acrylic, well and good. You can load the acrylic color very nicely on top of it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you just see my face?
One second. Just do. Yes, show me. Very nice, Sanskrit. Yes. So, no homework. You can complete it, you can show it to me. Only homework is you can make this with anything, brush pen, or if you're able to load it. Okay, if you're not able to load, there is one more thing, but every time you'll have to color the scale, you'll have to wash your scale. I'll show you with the dirty scale.